Imagine a world where understanding the very building blocks of life was a mystery, until now. What if I told you that the key to unlocking these secrets isn't a team of scientists in a lab, but an artificial intelligence? Prepare to discover how AI is not just solving biology's hardest puzzles, but revolutionizing medicine and our understanding of existence itself. For decades, the complex dance of protein folding baffled scientists, a puzzle so intricate it seemed unsolvable. But what if a machine could crack this code, transforming our battle against diseases and accelerating drug discovery at an unprecedented pace? This video reveals how AI is not just predicting, but fundamentally reshaping our understanding of life's molecular machinery. The future isn't just self-driving cars and smart homes. It's happening at a microscopic level, driven by AI. Get ready to witness how artificial intelligence is decoding the most profound mysteries of the human body, unveiling secrets of protein folding that could lead to cures we once only dreamed of. This is how AI is building the future of medicine, one molecular structure at a time. The untangled enigma. Why protein folding matters. The folding problem. Explained. Why tiny misfold can cause massive biological chaos, for example Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. The immense computational challenge. Billions of possible configurations, limited traditional methods. The inherent beauty and complexity. Life's instructions encoded, but function dependent on precise 3D shape. AlphaFold's ascent. AI's game-changing breakthrough. DeepMind's AlphaFold. How it shattered decades of biological roadblocks in 2020 and 2021. The underlying AI magic. Demystifying deep learning, neural networks, and massive datasets without jargon. Beyond prediction. From sequence to structure, and what this instantly unlocked for researchers globally. Revolutionizing drug discovery. AI's new RX designing targeted therapies. Faster identification of disease-causing protein structures for drug design. Accelerating vaccine development. Rapidly mapping viral proteins to identify vulnerable targets. Personalized medicine potential. Tailoring treatments based on an individual's unique protein variations. Engineering life. Novel proteins and industrial enzymes creating custom proteins. Engineering proteins for new functions, like biodegradable plastics or biofuels. Supercharging industrial processes. Designing enzymes for more efficient manufacturing and sustainable solutions. The future of synthetic biology. Imagine bespoke biological machines built from scratch. The ethical frontier and future horizons. The dual-use dilemma. Potential for both incredible good and unforeseen consequences in bioengineering. Accessibility and collaboration. Democratizing scientific discovery and fostering global research partnerships. What's next? AI models learning from dynamics, multi-protein complexes, and the ultimate protein operating system.